Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to apply photo as a wallpaper in Redmi 14C device. So for setting up the wallpaper, as you guys know that when we long press the screen, so we have an option of a wallpaper here. But we have all these default wallpaper and themes wallpaper. But we are talking about our customized photo. So all you guys have to do, just go to gallery and then select any image from here. Okay, so I want to set this image, so just tap on the three dot option and here tap on set as wallpaper. Firstly you have to allow all the access. Now click apply, and if you want to set for both set as lock screen, you can set for lock screen, you can also set for home screen, and you can also set for both. I am only setting up for home screen. So as you see, home screen is now applied. Now go back, and that is it. The image is now set as a wallpaper. So that's how guys we can set the wallpaper in Redmi 14C device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.